Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to eat acorn squash. First, wash your squash thoroughly under cool running water. Then, carefully cut it in half lengthwise using a sturdy knife. Finally, use a spoon to scoop out all the seeds and stringy pulp from both halves. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious results. Once prepared, you have several cooking options. You can roast the halves at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes until tender. Alternatively, bake them with a small amount of water in the pan. For a quicker method, microwave the halves for 10 to 15 minutes. To enhance the flavor, consider adding a pat of butter and a sprinkle of brown sugar to each half for a sweet treat. For a savory option, season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. A drizzle of maple syrup or honey before baking also adds a wonderful sweetness. Serving acorn squash is versatile. You can enjoy it directly from its skin, scooping out the tender flesh with a spoon. Another option is to mash the cooked flesh for a smooth and comforting side dish. For a complete meal, stuff the cooked halves with grains, vegetables, or even meat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.